Hi everyone and welcome to the Richard Magazine studio. I'm Kristine, and in today's video I'll be showing off some early fall outfits that our team has styled, with the majority of pieces coming from a new Target line called Wild Fable. Target has been slowly rolling out a bunch of great fashion pieces and debuting exciting new in-house labels. Wild Fable's just one of them, but style-wise, it's easily one of my favorite moves I've seen from the retailer in years. The debut launch consists of 90s and early 2000s inspired pieces, which are extremely on trend right now, which is probably why I came out of my local store with a huge clothing haul. The prices are even better than stores like Forever 21, and I think the quality is way more luxurious and the sizing is spot on. So let me show off my shopping finds. First up is an outfit I personally cannot wait to wear. I've been looking for a Clueless movie-inspired suit set for ages, but I didn't want to look like I was wearing Cher's literal yellow plaid look, which is why I love this purple pale jacket and zip-up skirt set. Each piece is $30 and under, which can't be beat. We've added another dose of late 90s style to the look by pairing the separates with a coordinating fuzzy tank top. I always wanted a shirt like this when I was younger, but the 2018 version is even cuter. And it's only $15. Next up, we've paired a cropped striped tank with a pair of punk-inspired red plaid skinnies. I live in plaid pants throughout the fall and winter and have quite the collection of colorful trousers. But when the weather's still warm and sunny, you can ease into the look by wearing a basic top, band tee, or spaghetti strap tank. I picked up these skinny jeans for $28, which is honestly a steal. Denim on denim is a modern classic no matter what decade you're talking about. The trick to pulling it off is by mixing washes and textures. You may be seeing cropped flares with frayed hems everywhere, and believe me, as a tall girl, I was hesitant to try the ankle-length look. But these high-waisted jeans with side zipper detailing are flattering and on-trend at the same time. At only $28 a pair, you can have fun with the look without overspending. Here, we've topped off the look with an oversized boxy patchwork jacket that's just as trendy and affordable. It's only $30. Finally, I've got to talk about this Kim Possible look, because which animated character says 2000 style more than the Disney crime fighter? Camo print in some form or another has consistently remained in style for decades, but the shiny parachute pants fabric, flattering high-waisted zip-up, and cargo-style pockets make this version a winner. Style these bottoms with a crop top, basic cami, or baby tee to really kick up the look. You can shop most of these pieces on Target.com and check out your local store for even more surprises. In my trying on experience, all the pieces you see here fit true to size and even run a little larger. It's definitely a lot of fun seeing how you can make these items your own, so if you've tried out any of the pieces yourself, make sure to let us know what you think in the comments. For more product spotlights, styling tips, fashion inspiration, interviews, and more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube if you haven't already, and follow us at richardmagazine.com.